bumpy ride, so I want to make sure everyone stays safe and seated. You're welcome and welcome back. So happy everyone is here today. It is a beautiful day. You guys feel like little bugs going through the grass? It is part of the grass family.
We're gonna go get some butter lettuce.
Alright guys, so any two that look beautiful to you.
Go home and plant it back. Little apple tree right here. You can see the little cute apples starting to grow. And we do blackberry picking when they're available. So usually around May, and then another harvest again in the summertime. And yes, we have now arrived to the reason you all are visiting the farm today. Our strawberries. Two different purposes. One is because when the strawberries were growing in the ground, we used to have to rotate the crops to give the soil a rest. But this way, these fields can always be the designated strawberry fields forever.
Plants grow with the sunlight, so we don't want to pick these.
Hold up. This one is growing through. It's a little pinky. Bee. Boom. I picked.
Make sure you have all your baskets full of strawberries to take home with you.
Really sweet. That was a really good one.
say thank you.
Thank you.
And we are back. So as we exit, make sure we take all of our belongings with us. Sometimes we do get cell phones that are left.
They got the emo hairstyle. Neat. How does donkey? Yeah. Yeah. That cow does not like us. It's got the hair. Let's go. Wow, look at those two gray ones. I haven't seen gray chicken. Majestics. I want it.